Look at this wonderful bag that we are going to make. It's the first time I make a voice-off tutorial. I'm not an English native speaker. I may not use the right words or make mistakes. Be indulgent with me and not hesitate to correct me in the comments. So let's start. Here are the different pieces, the front and the back with their pockets. So the sizes are on the screen. The sides, the base, the zipper and its two sides, and another small rectangle for the zipper. Now the bag handles. To start, take the front and the back with their pockets. Put them back to back and leave 1.5 cm from the bottom. Then take the clips and put them on the sides. And now we can sew all around the pockets. Which presser foot to use? Here I have the Teflon foot for my industrial machine, and this one is the Teflon for domestic one. You can also use a roller foot. The first I show is the one for domestic machine and the second for industrial machine. So when I sew with the industrial, I like to use this Teflon foot. But when I sew with the domestic one, I prefer the roller foot. For seam allowances, I like to use the width of my pressure foot, which is about 0.5 centimeters. Here are the pockets sewn. Now take the handles, fold them in two, and put the clips like this along the entire length. And sew all around it. We're going to place the handles on the front and the back. Take your tape measure and a ruler and put a mark in the middle. With the ruler, put a mark at 5 cm on each side from the middle. Draw two vertical lines of 6 cm from these last two marks. Do the same steps for the front. You divide by 2 to put a mark in the middle. We will use these lines as markers. Take the handles and put them right next to the line, like this, the folded side outward. Then put the clips. My trick is to use this hairpin, so it doesn't move. Do the same to the other side. Then sew. Sorry, I forgot to tell you to start sewing at 2 centimeters from the top. So I put a mark at 2 centimeters and I sew on the seam already done. Don't forget to lock stitch. Here is the result. Take the front, the two sides, and double-sided tape of 1 centimeter wide. Stick it on the edges of the front. And put the sides like this. If it doesn't stick well, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that it doesn't move at the time of sewing. Sew here at 0.5 centimeters. Once sewn, we take the bag and put it right side on the free edges of the sides, like this. Then pin it before sewing. Now time for the zipper and its two sides and the small rectangle. Stick double-sided tape on the wrong side. Take the zipper, open it a little bit and stick it right side on the tape. Sorry, I forgot to put tape here. Do the same to the other side. It doesn't stick well, so I strengthen with clips. Fold the small rectangle and clip it. And sew at 0.5 centimeter. We arrive to the hardest part, sewing the base to the rest of the bag. We start by pinning the base to the back, like this, then the sides, then the front. I should have left 1 cm and sewn at the bottom between the back and the sides to facilitate the work of the angles, but anyway, it works. Sew all around at 1 cm. Here is the result. A little bit difficult, but we managed to do it. Now turn the inside out. And now the last part. Take the zipper, fold it in two to mark the middle on both edges. Match the middles, wrong side on wrong side. Pin it and sew at 0.5 cm. And here is the result. As you can see, the front and the back. Let's open it. Open the zipper to look inside. Here are the two pockets. I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like my video, to subscribe, and tell me in the comments what do you think about this simple and beautiful bag. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!